English tip number 7. May. Modal verb. May is the 5th month of the year. But we're not gonna talk about that. I'm using it because it has the same spelling with the modal verb may, which is our topic for today. Modal verb may can be used in 3 different situations. Number 1 is to express permission. For example, may I go to the bathroom? Please remember to use the main form of the verb. Like these. May I call you? May I say something? May I ask her? May I remind everybody? All the underlined verbs should be in the main form. And when you're asking for permission, question mark is present. Number 2 is to express possibility. Look at these 2 examples. Number 1, she may come to stay with us. Number 2, you may pass the document to my secretary. Whatever the subject is, always remember to use the main form of the verb. The third way is to express a wish. Like when you say, may God bless you. You should not use blesses or blessed. I repeat, if you use may, pair it with the main form of the verb. Another example is, may you achieve great success in everything that you do. And the last one is, may you continue supporting For My Kids videos. Thank you so much, guys. See you next time.